Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to get into your NETGEAR switch. So first, what you want to do, you want to go to settings, and then you go to network and internet, and then you go to Ethernet, and then you want to go to your IP address. I'll have to change it to this address. This does not have to be the same, but I'm just gonna keep it this way. It has to be from 192, 168, and 0, and then whatever. So you save it, and then you go to the browser, and then you enter address 192, 168, 0, and then 239. And by default, the password is password or lowercase. And basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.